National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Boone County and north central Illinois, north central Oakland County and north central Illinois, Winnebago County and north central Illinois until 6 o'clock p.m. At 5:10 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Mount Morris and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Rockford, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Rockton, South Beloit, Byron, Pecatonica, Winnebago, Durand and Drosco. This storm has a history of producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. Sunday evening for northeastern Illinois and northwest Indiana.